going up this window now, DIYs. So I cut them. I'm just doing them now. So that's what it's going to look like. I've just got to trim that just a little, but I can do that like tomorrow when I fit this aluminium, because I've just got a slight little bend, but that's cool. And then I'll be mitering it internally and going up like that, which is cool. I might just give that last one just a little bit of a trim as well, just to bring me over. It's a little bit tricky this, but we'll get there. All for the sake of a bit of architrave. Anyway, you get that. This is how you do it. You put it in place. Make sure it's right. Feels right. I've marked it there. I've marked up the architrave and cut it to suit. The other thing too is you need the window plumb, and it's just slightly out, so you cut your tile accordingly. That's looking good. I'll bang it in. I'm staying away from the edge just a little. The reason for that is DIYs. Come on. It is so I can put my aluminium in, so I can slip it in. So the way I'll fit my aluminium is I'll silicone down there and just pop it in. Or I could use glue, one or the other. Glue's probably better, it's easier to use. You can wipe it off easier. Run a fish fart up to see if you're nice and flat. That's looking pretty good. Another one to go, and I think DIY. I think I'm going to be a lucky little beaver here, because I checked it before, but I'll check it again. My aluminium, when that go, how's that going to work? Oh no, I do have to cut my top tile just a little, but that's cool. I'll mark another one while it's up here, while it's in place. Checking your end. It's nicely in place. Yep. I can't see my top. I've got to run my mark just up a little bit past. So I can see my mark. Checking my end. Yes, it's nice and flush. That's good there. That's good there. Okay, I'll shoot away and cut that, and then I'll go up there, and then I'll go across. I'll use a nail or two just to hold my tiles when I'm going across, and we're hunky dory. See you soon. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. You will learn how to tile.